Hey everyone, here is one of the websites that I like to use with my kindergartners. I've been using it, it's called GoNoodle.com. It is a website that I use with my 5 and 6 year olds to have brain breaks in the morning, and if I need a break during the day to kind of get my kids rejuvenated and awake. I've been using it since 2015, and every school year I create a new uh, account. And so I'm clicking into my new one here. And what is great about it is that you pick a little GoNoodle champ, and then you can click on to different brain breaks as far as dance if you want to get the kids kind of energized. Some of the other ones that are great are you go up here to the categories. If you want to do a little bit of math with them, you click into that. There's some science brain breaks, some language arts brain breaks, and I really like to be able to kind of bring it out every morning. We do 2 each morning, which is great. The ones that they really like the best are the guided dance, which are really fun. And you can kind of see here how long each clip is. It's a guided dance for them, and my 5 and 6 year olds don't have a whole ton of coordination, but it works really well with them. Once the little GoNoodle champ is all grown up, I pick a stick and have a kid pick a new champ. It keeps with the number of minutes that we do, so you can see here, since it'll be a new school year coming up in August, that I have created a new champ. Going back to previous school years, you can see back here, my last school year, we did over 2,500 minutes of brain breaks every morning, which is great. You can kind of go over here as well to the search part of the website, and you can kind of filter it out based on how long you want to use it. It's a great tool as well for the older kids if you have indoor recess and you're kind of stuck inside. They have indoor recess versions of things.
Indoor recess, learning by nature. Hi, I'm Coach Terry. You can call me Coach Terry. You can call this indoor recess. You can also call it the Blazer Fresh Fan Club. I don't know.
So this is a really great thing you can do with them for brain breaks as well as indoor recess. Thanks.